plugged it in. Oh, sitting in front of it. You're welcome. I'm glad this is for 2 more days, though. This would be too short. It feels like it's been freaking forever a bit. This is fun. I enjoyed this. I'm just being able to see you guys again. I just want to tell her I love how her dress flows when she does the spin. Don't think about it, guys. Just flow. Flow. Match the beat. This is cute. Very nice.
Getting it down.
Yeah, they are. God, I feel like everybody here is a family. I feel like I have a shit ton of family right now.
Yeah.
Nobody's judging me.